And so if you are doing taping at home, which I'm going to kind of show you how to tape your own knee here with this method, you got to be careful that you don't put too much of a stretch on strong tapes because it can actually cut and blister your skin. And so when we do this, this is already a pre-stretched tape. And so if I break the tape on the backside and then I line it back up, the tape wants to shrink down. You'll see when you go to do that. So whenever we go to start, we want to make sure the skin is clean, no oils, stuff like that. And then you want an anchor that's at least an inch or two so that when you go to put it over your target area, that first part doesn't have any stretch on it at all. And you want to give it a good rub down so it's not going anywhere. Now, once that happens, I'm going to have Kelly bring her leg up because I want to support her in extension like this. I'm going to hold that anchor, but it brings the tape loose. Once that tape's loose, I'm going to come out to the end, and then I'm going to decide how much of a stretch I want to pull in for this. Because it's already shortened, if she bends her knee and I have too much of a stretch, it's going to really pull. So I only want to have about a 50% stretch here when I go to do this. I'm going to take a longer run on this side to support the medial joint capsule, and then a shorter run on the outside, so that when we're having this support, it's getting both sides of the joint. Go ahead and bend that. Is that too much grab on the skin?
No.
So that's the first test. If you're doing a joint in a shortened position and you go to lengthen that position, if it's pulling like crazy, you got to just take the tape off and start over. And Becky, if you zoom in here, I'm going to point out one thing. You can see right here, if you look close, that her skin is pinched a little bit. We want to take that out of there. That's okay to have a little bit of pull on the skin, but if it's getting bound in the tape, it can be a friction point, and that can be a source of irritation. We pull up just a touch.